The first step to making candles like they did in the 1800s is to cut wicks to the proper length for dipping. This can be done while waiting on the wax to melt. Spent candles were put into the wax to cut back on waste. Because of this, it is important to remove the old wicks from the wax. These old wicks can be used as fire starters. After the wax has completely melted, it is ready to make candles. To prep the wicks for using in candle molds, hold the wick by one end and dip it into the wax. This hardens the wick so it can be threaded through the holes in the mold. After all the wicks have been prepared, the wicks can be threaded through the hole on the mold and the end should be tied off. The other end of the wick should be tied around a wooden dowel so that the wick is kept in the center of the candle and doesn't move while the candle is hardening. Once the wicks have been loaded into the molds, wax can be poured in. As the wax cools and recedes into the mold, more wax will be added to fill the mold completely. After the wax is finished hardening, hot water is needed to help remove the candles from the mold. The knots at the end of the mold should be cut off so that the candles can be pulled out using the wooden dowels. Once the molds have been in the hot water for a few moments, the candles can be pulled out. The excess wax and wooden dowels will be cut off of the candles. After this step, the molded candles are complete. To make candles using the dipping method, hold the wick in the middle and dip the ends in the wax. Then hang it and allow it to dry. This process will be repeated over and over again, and it will take around 80 to 90 dips until the candle is finished. After a few dips, the wick can be straightened out by using your hands. After several dips, you will start to see the candle getting bigger. Beads of wax may start to form at the bottom of the candle, and these should be cut off. When rings of wax start to form in the wax pot, the wax should be reheated. Continue dipping the candles until they are about the same size as a woman's thumb or can easily fit inside a candle holder. To finish the candles, cut the wick to separate them. The candles are then ready to be used.